Okay, I'd like to show you how to put a favicon on your website, which is this thing right here, this little DR. It's my logo, and it's going to go on the top left of the tab from your website. This particular website we're designing right now, which we're up to, we did the logo, we did we're doing About Us section, we did the background pictures for this, and the title pictures with the captions here. Now we're doing the favicon, which is this thing here, but you don't see it on this one because we're going to create it. So if we go into the file tree, we're going to look at everything where it belongs. In here, it's right here on the template that I've given you. It is in images, favicon dot, it's going to say .ico over here. It's going to say .ico, all right, and that's going to be in your root folder, which will be, let me show you. Your root folder is going to be default one-page responsive images. It is going to be in here, favicon.ico, excuse me. We're going to change it to a PNG. All right, so this way it's easier to edit it and save it in Photoshop. All right, so first things first, we are going to open up Photoshop first, and we're going to make a favicon, which is actually the image size. Image size for one is 16 by 16 pixels. It's 0.22 inches. 0.222 inches. Okay, so that's it. So if I make the favicon, I just put the D in there. We all know how to make a D in Photoshop, and I will re-show you guys text in my other curriculum. But right now, you're gonna make a D in Photoshop. It looks just like this. Up close, that's how it looks. Now, with that D, double click, see the actual size. We're going to go to File, Save for Web. Saving it as a PNG, save, and we're going to call it favicon.png, save, and we will replace that file as a PNG file, or you're going to create a file that's PNG inside that folder. Now, after you've done that, you have to go into here, and if you see favicon.ico, call it .png. That's it right there. Bam. If I click it, roll over it. Alright, so that's the image itself. Let's save it, and let's preview it. Alright, it should come up here. Let me make sure that it's in the right spot. Let's open up the images, and there it is, favicon. It is correct, and it's correctly stated, and it's exactly where it needs to be. Everything here is correct. So if I go into here, let's minimize that, come back up to our website, we'll refresh it. There it is, and you get your favicon, and I want you to notice something. It matches my logo. I did that purposely, it's not an accident. I made my D here to match this one. Like my website here, my logo is right here. There's my favicon. Matches. That's the way that you want to do it to make a brand. This could be a G for Google if this was Google. And in fact, let's just see if Google does do that. I'm curious. This is a new tab. It's not actually Google's main site. You got to be careful with that. Go to Google. There it is. There's your favicon. Bong. So that's how it is. That's how it works. And Google doesn't even need any explanation. Google is Google. So there's our favicons. All right. And if there's any other questions, you can either email me, and it is it's strip of code number 8 right here, favicon.png, and it's right there. I don't know why it's not giving me the thumbnail, but it's in the right spot, and that's how we do it. Thank you so much.